take it away. Feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you.
Hello, family. I am back again with another wig show and tell. And today's wig is brought to you by RPG Hair. If you are interested in this wig, I will be sure to leave the direct store link you can get this from. And I'll also leave the info and specs on this wig in the description box as well. When you order, you get some goodies in the box. I got 2 HD wig caps, a edge brush / comb, a flyaway tamer, and a adjustable elastic band. They also sent this pamphlet with some information on how you can return your wig and hair care tips for your wig as well. The wig comes neatly packaged in this RPG Hair wig silk bag. And when you open the silk bag, the wig comes stored in this long, clear plastic baggie. Here is a close-up on the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. Right there is where you would hook your adjustable elastic band that they sent. As for the cap material, it has a stretch fit, but it is not too stretchy. As for the lace, they state that the lace is an invisible HD lace. And the hair texture is on the silky side. It feels really soft, silky, and it don't come with no foul odor. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked, and on the hairline you also get curly edges, and the knots come bleached. Let's get on to the styling process. First, I'm going to take my comb and comb out these edges so I can see what I'm working with. This is how the edges look after I combed it out, but I'm going to go in with my tweezers now and pluck out some of the baby hairs because the baby hairs is a little too thick for my liking. After I plucked out some of the baby hairs, I finger combed out the curls as well. I'm done styling the wig on the blockhead, so now I'm going to cut off the extra lace. And to cut off the extra lace, I'm going to go in with some eyebrow scissors. Y'all know how I like to do it. I like to cut in little zigzag motions on the hairline. This just helps so the line of demarcation between the lace and skin isn't so sharp and noticeable. Now let's do this install. Right there in the nape area is some extra lace. Be sure to go ahead and cut that off. Underneath the lace, I applied makeup powder to the parting space and hairline because those are the parts that will be showing for this install. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps and also went in and inserted that elastic band that they sent. So I thought I was gonna go in and do a middle part, but I changed my mind while the wig was on my head. I'm gonna do a flip over instead. The baby hairs was still a little too thick for my liking, so I went in and tweezed some of it out. When I go in with my tweezers, I'm plucking out the baby hairs that's curled up and still a little thick. Now to spray down my lace for this wig show and tell, I'm going to go in with my olive oil super hold spray, and I'm going to spray one layer of this onto my hairline, and I'm going to go in with the blow dry it until it's a little tacky, then lay the lace on top and hold it down until it starts drying on the lace. I go in with the blow dryer on the warm setting. And bam, I am done. Wow, I love it. Like, I tried a lot of deep wave wigs out there, but I must say what make and break this wig is the curly edges. The curly edges got the curls standing out. I was going to go in and define the curls, but I feel like after I finger comb the curls, like the curls just look too cute to even define. But I did see my sis 𝐤𝐤𝐢𝐠 go in and define the curls on her wig from RPG hair, and it came out gorgeous. She was the one that inspired me to even try this wig, so I will be sure to leave her review below. Feel free to check that out to get a second opinion. Alrighty, so the wig that I have today is RPG hair, curly edges, hairline, deep wave, invisible HD lace, 13x6 lace frontal wig, style LFW91. The wig length that I have is 22 inches, but it is available in different lengths. You could get it between 12 to 24 inches. The wig density is 180%, but if you don't want it that thick, you can get it in 150%. Let's say you're feeling this wig. You love the curl pattern, but you're not a fan of the curly edges. You could also at checkout click regular edges. You don't have to get the curly edges. You don't have to get the removable elastic band as well. And I really like the fact that it come in different cap size. I have a cap size medium. And if you have a smaller head, they have the cap size small as well. The biggest circumference I could say the medium would fit is a 23-inch head circumference. My head is 22 inches, but I do have some stretch cap room material left in there. For my peoples that like splitting their hair in the back, have no fear. My tracks isn't showing, and you can't see my wig cap. I love the curly edges on this. First, when it came out the pack, it was like, it was cute, but wasn't really feeling it. But after going in and thinning it out, man, oh man, this wig is a keeper. I love it. I didn't even do much work to get my end results. I'm glad I didn't have to go in and define the curls because the curls already came pretty. The most I had to do was pluck out some of the baby hairs because they was a little too thick for my liking. Spray down the hairline, and bada boom, bada bang, that's it. Tell me what you think. Would you try this wig? Are you feeling the curly edges? Is it a yay or a nay? Like, even styling this wig, the most I did was finger comb it. I didn't get any tangles. As for shedding was very, very low. Hit the like button if you are feeling this wig or if you would like to support your girl. Thank you so much for taking time to watch. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Be safe out there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, beautiful.